Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in 8-Ball Pool with Facebook. To log into 8-Ball Pool with your Facebook account is super easy. First of all, open the 8-Ball Pool application on your mobile device, and once you see this login screen, look for a login with Facebook option. Press on the Facebook login option and then in the pop-up, click on the Continue button. You will then be able to see the login screen for Facebook. Type in your mobile phone number or your email address, followed by your Facebook account's password in the boxes provided. After typing down your credential, tap on Login. Now, once you are logged in, you will then see this pop-up that says, if you'd like to continue, tap the Continue button in blue at the bottom, and then you will then be able to log into 8-Ball Pool with Facebook account. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to the game logged in with your Facebook linked account. Now you're ready to enjoy 8-Ball Pool with your Facebook account in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.